Well, stocks were not the only investments affected by the escalating conflict in Ukraine. The price of oil, wheat, and other commodities spiked today. Take a look. Oil up nearly $2 a barrel. Wheat prices advanced too, bucking the trend. Gold, which initially moved up but settled at a 10-day low. Jackie DeAngelis has more now on how commodities were impacted by today's unrest in Ukraine.
Crude prices on both sides of the Atlantic reacting to the news out of Russia and Ukraine today of increased tensions. We saw West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude seeing gains of more than 1%. Traders telling me the worry is that if the situation intensifies over the weekend, they won't be able to react to the news. Some traders also suggesting that the market felt too bearish overall and that there was some buying of recent dips. But still, on a relative basis, crude prices on the lower side because of simple oversupply in the marketplace. Remember that global output is up, especially as the U.S. is producing more oil. And despite geopolitics, international output hasn't been impacted. In fact, crude has lost more than 3% in the last month, closing today above $97 a barrel, but well under the $100 a barrel mark. Other commodities impacted by the tensions as well, including gold, which managed to recoup some of its early losses to get back over the $1,300 level at the settle. But gold, typically used as an inflation hedge, didn't move into positive territory due to some headlines from the Minneapolis Fed president saying that inflation will be subdued until 2018. Finally, wheat and corn did spike on geopolitics, gains of 3% and 1% respectively. That's because Ukraine is the world's fifth largest exporter of wheat and third biggest exporter of corn. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.